The Statue of Liberty's flame had gone missing. Detective Harper surveyed the torch's empty frame, perplexed. Tour guide Mia, historian Clark, and engineer Tim were all suspects. Mia knew the statue's secrets. Clark had access to restricted areas, and Tim held the tools. Harper found a torn blueprint in Mia's locker, a red herring. Clark's alibi seemed airtight until Harper spotted a smudge of green patina on his cuff. "Clark," Harper declared, "you plan to sell the flame's gold leaf." Clark's eyes widened in shock. His plan unraveled, the clues finally made sense. Harper's deductions left no loose ends. Curiosity 1. Color change. The Statue of Liberty changed from reddish-brown to green due to copper oxidation over 20 years. Curiosity 2. Lighthouse function. From 1886 to 1902, the statue's torch functioned as a lighthouse, visible 24 miles at sea. Curiosity 3. Design inspiration. The statue's face was modeled after the sculptor Bartholdi's mother, Charlotte Baser Bartholdi. Curiosity 4. Fort Wood. The statue is situated on Fort Wood, built to protect New York from British invasions. Curiosity 5. Gigantic size. The statue wears size 879 shoes and stands 93 meters tall from base to torch.